Consolidation Loan, How to Select the Right Company, by Mark Reeves, www.libertyunsecured.com. Consolidation loan is the most effective way to get rid of your loans and debts. It is in fact the ultimate solution and the most effective debt relief method that will help you minimize the financial burden to a great extent. When you opt for bankruptcy, it will have negative impact on your credit score and will actually jeopardize your complete financial future. If you opt loan consolidation option, you will have to pay lower monthly installments and will make your debts less complicated and easier. If you have finally decided to opt for this method, you need to have a good loan consolidation company. The first and the most important step in choosing the right consolidation loan company is to look for all options open for you. Make use of all resources, and if possible you can make use of professionals also, so that you are able to negotiate and settle your loans to terms that are comfortable for you and your financial condition. When you are looking for a company to get maximum benefit, you need to see that the company is in this industry for many years and has a lot of experience and is renowned as well. These companies will be familiar to the entire process and will help you calculate and get into better terms that are beneficial for you. The consolidation loan company that you are going to finalize must have an efficient and good customer service. The first consultation should be free of charges and fees. They should have access to their debt specialist and they can help you calculate and settle down at better terms. Make sure the company is approachable so that it helps you a glitch-free process. Remember, reputation matters a lot. The company you are going to attach should be considered reliable and efficient within their customers. The company you are going to finalize should be affiliated with the right association of your area and should have recognition in the industry. Ensure that you are tapping the right people who are compassionate of your cause and are trustworthy too. When there are plenty of debts to manage, it seems the debt management is far-reached and difficult to accomplish. But if you choose the right consolidation loan company, it will give you a positive and practical stance in your life. So, the best thing that you can do is to find the best consolidation loan companies that will certainly help you repay your loans properly. Have questions? Loan specialists are standing by. Call 866-493-1938 to speak to a loan specialist who will assist you.